In recent years, the state of Qatar, having one of the region's richest and strongest economies, has been making enormous strides towards modernization and advancement in almost every aspect of life in this country. In accordance to the policies envisaged by the leadership, the country's natural resources have been extensively tapped to achieve the objectives set for the future, better and brighter, for generations to come. The policies under the wise leadership of His Highness, the Emir Sheikh Hamad bin Khalifa Al Thani, and the heir apparent, His Highness Sheikh Tamim bin Hamad Al Thani, culminated in the Qatar National Vision 2030 to achieve the kind of sustainable development worthy of this great nation and its people who represent, in the eyes of its leader, the country's greatest asset.
Our aim in the line with our National Vision 2030 is to exploit the vast resources of our country to build a better life for this generation, and at the same time we invest for the future of our coming generations. Building such a life for now and the future must be on firm foundation, taking into account such pillars like human, economic, social and environmental for all the aspects of development.
Giant projects for such a vital life and energy can only be sustained by equally viable and reliable power sources.
The kind of ambitious sustainable development plans Qatar is pursuing are an opportunity for a company like ours to contribute and leave its mark on the development of this country and the region. Mesaieed Power Company Limited, mpower for short, is such a lifeline.
Qatar Electricity and Water Company investment in Mesaieed Power of 40% represent KEWC commitment for effective participation in meeting future electricity demand in the state of Qatar and ensure an effective supply of electricity for Mesaieed industries.
This joint stock company, owned by Qatar Electricity and Water Company, Qatar Petroleum, Marubeni Corporation, and Shubu Electric Power Company, was established on 15th January 2007 at around $2,300 million in cost.
Mesaieed Power currently is the largest independent power producer in the state of Qatar. We at Mesaieed Power are committed to operate the plant with the highest possible efficiency and reliability. Construction work of the plant, located at Mesaieed Industrial City, began in October 2006 when the shareholders were awarded the project by Kahrama.
The engineering, procurement, and construction contract was awarded to Spain's Iberdrola Engineeria. 11 different gas and steam turbines supplied by GE are to operate the project using the latest technology. The plant will be operated by natural gas supplied by Qatar Petroleum.
Qatar Petroleum is proud of its role in this project. It shows that our contribution to the growth and development is not restricted to hydrocarbons. We provide the natural gas that fuels the turbines for generating electricity.
A power purchase agreement was signed with Kahrama in March 2007.
Under this agreement, Mesaieed Power will supply Kahrama with 2,000 megawatts of power. Mesaieed Power will optimize availability, heat rate, and thermal efficiency, and strive to conserve fuel and other resources.
mpower's 400 kilovolt super substation will provide Karama with much needed voltage support to the national grid. This will constitute the backbone of the new 400 kilovolt system, underpinning Qatar's commitment to the Gulf regional interconnection.
We shall endeavor to repeat our success in our home country, Japan, here in Qatar, in the field of electric power utilities, generation and operations.
The project is largely financed by Japan Bank for International Cooperation, and their involvement has much strengthened the relationship between Qatar and Japan. The plant has already achieved its quite high efficiency and is environmentally friendly by utilizing the state-of-the-art technology.
mpower's priorities lie in supplying electrical energy in a safe, efficient, reliable, and environmentally friendly way. This is manifested in the company's concern for both air and water quality. The plant will be the first power station in Qatar to achieve single-digit NOx emissions. This will mean a remarkable reduction of over 63% compared to the previously permitted plant. The company will strive to minimize the impact on the marine environment by reducing the amount of heat transferred to the ocean-sourced cooling water through the usage of seawater in cooling towers. The company aims to adopt a world-class health and safety standards, qualification programs, and procedures.
We at mpower are committed to providing a safe and healthy working environment for all our employees.
Our concern does not stop at the tools of production, machinery, workplace, and the environment. Our interest extends much beyond that to the key element of success, the human factor. It is our firm belief that our goals and objectives can only be achieved through retaining a highly qualified, culturally diverse, and experienced workforce. High on our priority list will be the continual improvement of our employees. We shall support them through continuous training, capacity building, and qualification and cross-training to the highest of standards. The company will operate a policy of Qatarization right from the start. This will be extended not only to recruitment of local people, but to the reliance of local suppliers too.
Our efforts will not stop at this project. Great though it may be, we shall continue to do what we consider is best for our country, our region, and the stability of world markets and economy. In general, Mesaieed Power shall strive to contribute to the growth of the Qatar economy. We will accomplish this by being true to our own ideals and work ethics, as well as being guided by the visionary and enlightened policies of the country.
We consider this project to be necessary to fulfill the ever-increasing and continuous demand for power in the state of Qatar, the country with huge ambitions and one of the fastest-growing economies in the world.